Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 8th, assignment number 3, topic is friction. In that first question, what is the materials used as the heat shielding? See, aeroplanes and rockets are moving very fast. The speed of the aeroplane is almost 4 times the speed of the sound, that we know. Okay, so with that speed, due to air, the frictional force act on the front part of the aeroplane, this front part of the aeroplane. That's why that front part may get heated up because of the air friction. So to reduce that heat, we use sometimes aluminum, otherwise ceramic thermal barrier. We can also use ceramic thermal barrier to reduce the heat due to friction from the air. Okay, next question. Why is friction important for transport? Why is friction is important for transport? We are walking on the floor. That means because of the friction acting between the shoe sole and the floor, then only we can move forward. Similarly, if the car is moving on the road, which one is necessary? Friction is necessary for movement or for motion. Whenever the car taking sharp turnings, what happens? If the car is moving on the sharp turnings while taking left turn, if there is no friction acting between the tires of the car and as well as road, what happens? If it is taking left turn, due to less friction or insufficient friction, the car may slides away. So because of that reason, for transport, friction is necessary for the transport. Okay, next question. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. Sportsman, he will not walk now, he has to run. A cricket player runs for fielding or for batting, to move to do the runs, they have to run. So for running, they need a better grip. For that better grip, we use spokes. The spokes are used for better grip to run or walk on the ground. Okay. Next question. Why do gymnasts apply some coarse substance on their hands? Gymnasts, beam gymnasts and floor gymnasts, they have to, weightlifters, they have to take some coarse substance and they apply on their hands because it provides sufficient grip. For that, they have to use coarse substance on their hands. Next question. Why do we pour a few drops of oil on the hinges of a door? Generally, hinges made up of with metal, that is iron. During winter or rainy season, what happens? The moisture content, due to that moisture content, the hinges may rusted up and it may struck. It will not, the doors or windows of the window doors will not move very easily. So for that, to reduce the rusting or to reduce the friction, we need to use the oil. So oil reduces the friction, so the doors or window doors will move very easily. Okay, so with this, today's assignment completed. Hope you understood all. Thank you.